So, you've been eyeing up that girl. Nice. But she doesn't even know you exist. And you want her to notice you. But how the hell is she gonna notice you if you wear that? Don't worry, it's an easy fix. I got you. This will make her instantly notice you. So before I get into it, you want to make sure your clothes actually fit you. You want to have a perfect fit that make you look aesthetic. Your outfit should be one tone, either bright or dark. You don't want to match the two because then you will look bland and boring. And it won't really make you stand out. So what is it? Wear the opposite of what you normally would wear for the type of weather. So basically, for example, what this means is when it's a dark, gloomy day, you want to wear the brightest stuff that you could possibly find. Okay, maybe not that, but you want to wear bright stuff. You don't want to be a highlighter and just pick out, I don't know, hot pink. That doesn't really work. You want to wear like something, for example, like this, okay? You want to wear this, and if you do wear this, if you manage to pull it off, her eyes will naturally go to the lightest part because you're like a light in a dark void. This will make you stand out like a light bulb lighting a dark room. Literally the only thing there. You're getting noticed, my boy. So now for bright days, for light days, when it's actually bright outside and you can actually see something. What you want to do is wear the darkest things that you could possibly find. Again, not the actually darkest things you could find, but dark enough to stand out. This is basically the opposite of what you did before, except now you're the dark void in the light. This is basically like a black hole. You know the darkest substance on Earth? You're basically that in a bright light room. You will stand out. Taking into account how other people wear, they'll probably do the opposite of what you're doing and wear bright stuff on bright days and dark stuff on dark days. So this will make you instantly stand out from the rest of the crowd. That's pretty much it. To recap, you gotta have the right fit. You gotta wear one tone, not bright and dark things at the same time. You wanna wear either all bright things or all dark things. That will make you really stand out and pop. So for dark days, you want to wear something very bright to get noticed. Light in the dark. And for bright days, you want to wear something dark. Be that void in that light. This, I guarantee you, will actually get you noticed, alright? But don't forget the fit part of it, okay? You gotta get everything good, because if you look like this, for example, you're not gonna get noticed. You're just there. If this worked for you, comment down below. If you want more of this, comment down below. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe. That's about it. So yeah.